Hey guys, how to generate QR code with Python in 3 lines of code. It's easy peasy lemon squeezy. Let's go. Remove initial code and in the terminal let's install pyqrcode library. It has been successfully installed. Let's import our pyqrcode. Next, create our QR code equals pyqrcode dot create and in parentheses indicate the link that we want to encode. I will encode the link to the YouTube channel and then save our QR code in a PNG file with the name YouTube channel.png. Let's check, run the code. We have an error because we haven't model named PNG. Let's install it, go to the terminal and install pypng library. Let's run again. We haven't errors and we have our YouTube channel QR code. You can point your phone's camera at it and make sure that our QR code generator works great. Have a nice day, have a good coding, like, subscribe. Thanks for the watching and all the best.